I have one particular client that keeps all their inquiries in a spreadsheet. They're really good because I can see every single thing that's coming through and the source of how that client came and whether it turned into a client or not. So I can actually see, again, this is me nerding out on the numbers, I can see, okay, you spent this much on ads, you spent this much on my management fee, and you made this much money, and so for every dollar you made $8 or something like that. I get a real kick and joy out of that. I'm like a big Labrador. If you keep patting me and saying, Jess, you're doing a good job, this is wonderful, then I'm gonna work harder. That's just the way it is. I know that about myself. Just keep stroking my ego, saying I'm doing a good job. Good job, Jess. Keep up the good work. And then you'll just see me work so much harder for you. I'll go above and beyond. So just a little hint, if you're a future client and wondering how to get the most out of me, that's how you do it.